Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop unwanted promotional emails in Gmail in just 5 minutes. We all know how annoying it can be to have promotional emails flooding your inbox, making it cluttered and hard to focus. Luckily, Gmail offers an easy way to manage these emails, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account and look at the search bar at the top. Type in the word unsubscribe. This keyword helps filter out most promotional and marketing emails, as these usually include an unsubscribe link. After entering the word, click your search results to see all emails that contain it. Next, find and click the advanced search icon. This is the small downward arrow inside the search bar. Using this lets you narrow your search and get more control over emails you want to filter. Once your search parameters are set, click on Create Filter from the drop-down menu that appears. This lets you apply specific actions to all emails that match your search. You will now see a list of options to choose from. Check the box for Skip the Inbox (archive it). This moves emails out of your inbox so they don't clutter your day. Then check the box for Apply the label. Labels help organize emails into categories, making them easy to find later. Click on Choose Label, then select New Label to create a custom tag. I suggest naming it something like unsubscribe so it's clear these emails are promotional and can be reviewed when you have time. After naming your label, click Create to save it. Make sure to also check the box labeled Also Apply Filters to matching conversations. This applies the filters to existing emails, not just new ones. Finally, click Create Filter to activate your new rule. And that's it. You have now set up Gmail to automatically manage incoming promotional email, keeping your inbox cleaner and helping you focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this guide helpful. Remember, a tidy inbox isn't just about reducing stress, it's about boosting your productivity too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick and easy tutorials.